guys, welcome back in Tec Learning, and basically I always make video for you. I know my English is totally super bad, but I tried always to improve my English. And also thank you so much because with your lovely support I get 3,000 subscribers in this channel right now. So thank you so much for your lovely support, because when I start this channel Tec Learning I get only 0 subscriber and 0 view, but now with your loves and supports I get more than 3 lakhs people total views, and I get monetized successfully in this channel. I get now more than 3,000 subscribers on this channel. So thank you so much to become a family part of Tec Learning, and thank you so much again guys. And I always try to provide you more videos, more easy tutorials, so you can understand and learn Unreal Engine more goodly. And also if you have a request of any of Unreal Engine related videos, let me know. I always try to make videos for you. And also thank you so much for your lovely support. I don't have words to say because I'm totally super happy, because with your lovely support I learn lots of things, I learn lots of mechanism, I learn lots about Unreal Engine. So thank you so much. And also only for you guys I built this PC, because when I try to make a video for you, before that I need to learn something. So with that learn and knowledge I get a job. Okay, so now I am a full-time game developer and level designer in software engineering. So with that job I get the money, and then I build this PC. This PC have Intel i9 12-unit K-series processor with liquid cooling with dynamic casing of Razer edition, and also it have RTX 3070 Ti Master edition, and I have a Razer mouse and bloody mechanical keyboard with gaming series. So everything I have now in perfect setup. So thank you also you guys, because with your lovely supports I get this thing. So thank you again, and see you in next tutorial videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you share this video so more people will join with this Tec Learning family, and they will learn lots of things with lots of advanced mechanism. And also I'm trying to add lots of new mechanism tutorial, and that is going to be advanced series. So it's that we are going to learn in future lots of advanced mechanism in one channel. So that will be super great. Also if you have any personal recommendation or kind of like, bro, I don't know how can I do this thing, like how can I make this mechanism or this mechanism, so let me know in my comments. I always try to make video for you. So see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this. Love you all guys in the next video. Bye.